Hi there, this is Bhavya from our sales team here at Cvent, and today I'm going to show you how to use AI within the Cvent Supplier Network to find the right venues faster, but also build smarter RFPs. If you're used to manually filtering through hundreds of venue options and drafting these RFP details from scratch, you exactly know how time-consuming that can be. Cvent Supplier Network helps you save time, but also find efficiencies when completing these tasks. So let's dive right in. First, let's take a look at how AI search works. Log in to Cvent Supplier Network and start a new venue search. Click on the Find Venues tab, and in the venue search area, look for the AI Assistant prompt. Enter your key event details like your preferred city, event dates, number of attendees, general budget range, or any special requirements. Click Search to activate AI. Hang in there, and you'll get a curated list of best fit venues based on your prompt. You can then refine your results further with the Filters tab. Click into the venue profile now to get more details about a property. Once you've chosen a potential venue, click Select Venue to add them to your venue list. And now, just like that, you're ready to build the RFP. Let's take a look at the next component of the AI Assistant, which lives within the RFP page. In the Meeting Agenda section, look for the AI Assistant prompt. Click on Generate Agenda. You can enter key details of your event or import an Excel of the information that you already have. Now, while the AI Assistant is working on your meeting agenda, you can go back to the RFP to fill the rest of the form. The AI Assistant will then prompt you once the meeting specs are all ready and loaded in your RFP. From here on, click to see a draft agenda, and then you can easily review, edit, customize agenda items to fit your needs. Click on Generate Agenda, and your agenda will be included in the RFP to help suppliers better understand your requirements and provide more accurate proposals. This will save you valuable time and ensure that your meeting objectives are front and center. For more tips, check out our other videos or visit cvent.com. Thanks for watching.